Welcome to Take Time with Kai. Today we'll be reviewing my mom's Beats by Dre earbuds. Shout out to my mom.
I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. This for the diamond.
Maybe you should try to you calling. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot too song.
Now, this is why I put in the title, must watch before buying. I was talking to the guy at Apple, and he didn't tell me this, so I'm here to tell you this. You have to get a charger and the block. It does not come with the charging cable or the block. So I went on Best Buy and it for my mom. And we got this color because it was the cheapest color. I mean, she didn't care about the color. I found it for her, then I sent it to her. And then we got the Apple box because Beats by Dre don't make a box. So Apple is now owned by Beats by Dre. So you get the idea. Chargers. I'll incorporate the little short here. Most people make you wait to the end of the video to tell you why you must watch, but I'm gonna be nice and let y'all know. It doesn't come with anything to charge it up or the block. You usually, okay, I get the cable, I gotta buy a block. No, you don't get the cable or the block. But yeah, let's get into it. We have the Powerbeats Pro 2, and my mom chose the black ones to match her black headphones. We're a big Apple family over here. If y'all thought it was just me, y'all was wrong. I'm gonna do a family Apple collection one day soon. Now let's get into the cool tech specs. True wireless earbuds with USB-C charging case, active noise canceling in transparent mode, up to 45-hour battery life on active noise canceling off, 10 hours earbud, and 35-hour case. Advanced comfort and stability ear hook design and heart rate monitoring sensing, made for iPhone/iPad, and it works with Android devices. So that's really nice. You can have it both ways. Now, the price for these are $249.99, and let me get my, let's see what did it come out to. Of course, it varies depending on where you live. Mine was, I guess mine isn't on here. I thought it was, but I'll put in a number here. Great. Once you open the box, as you saw from the short, you can get a free trial of Apple Music. You get the stickers, which I think is cool that Apple still does the stickers for the Beats product. So you get a sticker, the manual. I don't know why I'm going through all of this. Y'all watched the short, but it doesn't hurt. The pairing, open lid. So here are your instructions. If you want to read them and pause the video, and the short was maybe too short. Get Apple Care Plus battery and accidental damage coverage. So Apple Care Plus. And yeah, that's really it. For the manual, not too much, especially with the box being so small. It's not much you can do with it. Now, so the earbuds, like the earbuds piece came with 4 of them, and I believe what actually came on the earbuds was a size large, and that was too big for my mom, and she didn't really like them because it couldn't, so my mom didn't really like them because it couldn't fit in her ear hole great. Her ear hole. Her eardrum great. So once she switched the earbuds to size small, that was perfect. Extra small was good for her ear, but it would have been a bit hard. Like it would have been hurting her ear over time. So small is great for her. Y'all make sure to test out the earbud piece to see how it works for you. That's all it comes with. It comes with this, then the manual, and the stickers, of course. Then you sit this in top, well, in it. It sits in there. And then the styrofoam-ish case. Yes, this is it for the box. Get yourself a cable. Y'all gonna need it. I mean, you can't charge it up without it. And yourself a block. I mean, this Apple bag was so cute. I had so much fun going to Apple Store. The case, front, back. This is where your cable goes to charge them. Size. It's like a little, I kind of feel like it's like a pill case to me. But once you open them, then you have to scan your QR code. Oops. Once you open, look like this in the case. And which ear is this? Look closely. Let me see. If you look closely, I hope you can see that. Yeah, you should be able to see that. Okay. You look closely, you can see it says R, which is for your right ear. So it'll go in. Let's see. This is my right ear. I'm not gonna put it in because it's my mom's ear. Oh, but imagine it like that, right? It's just like a loop. And then it snaps back in. Listen to the satisfying sound. Hold on. Ooh. Same for the left. Yeah, there you go. So L, and then you put it in your ear like this. And it loops. Now, they do have them in purple. I know you're probably thinking, girl, why you finna say you wanted them? Because I don't want earbuds from Beats because I have my AirPods. But what I would love if Apple, y'all, if Apple ever watches my video, listen, Apple, can y'all please do that same color, right? That y'all have done for the earbuds and the Powerbeats Pro. Can y'all please do that for the Studio Beats Pro? Please do purple. Y'all have done pink. Can you please do purple? I will buy them. I will buy the headphones if y'all do purple. And the hyper purple something. So pretty. Oh my gosh. But it didn't make sense for me to get another pair of earbuds. But I'm happy my mom got some because she hasn't had any in a very long time. So y'all, that's the Powerbeats Pro 2. And it has active noise canceling, transparent mode, so everything you can get from your AirPods, the Beats, and the AirPods Max, you have them in these tiny little earbuds. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Another Tech Time with Kai. Shout out to my family for allowing me to unbox their tech. It's really helping my channel and helping me see what I would want to buy one day. Y'all have a great life and happy buying. I love Apple, y'all.